Hi, I'm Andy from Howard's Peugeot in Taunton, and I'm going to show you around this fantastic 3008 SUV in the GT line specification. So outside the car you've got a black roof, full LED headlights, there's 18-inch alloy wheels, tinted rear windows. You also get front and rear parking sensors with a 180-degree colour reversing camera. Now inside the car it's half leather interior. The touchscreen has 3D navigation, DAB digital radio, Apple CarPlay, Android Auto and Bluetooth. On top of this there's dual zone air conditioning, automatic headlights and wipers, cruise control, you get a smartphone charging plate. The car also has some great safety features including lane keeping assistance, there's blind spot detection and speed limit recognition. So let's have a look around. This car's got the 1.5 litre Blue HDI engine that gives you 130 horsepower. It's got the 8-speed automatic gearbox, done less than 9,000 miles. If it's of interest to you, then please get in contact with us at Howard's Peugeot in Taunton. Thank you.